All right, everybody, Nick Sundahl, ÄKTA Homes, Keller Williams, Classic Realty Northwest. Today's the Friday feature, and I'm heading into Snack Bar, which is right across the hallway from Bar La Grassa, which is one of my favorite places. Snack Bar is it's a smaller venue than Bar La Grassa. It's owned by the same company, a little smaller menu, a little more focus, and they do pizza. So I'm really excited to try it, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. All right, here's the Friday feature. All right, well, that's Snack Bar. It's a little sister restaurant of Bar La Grassa here in the North Loop. The pizza was absolutely delicious. Highly recommend the gnocchi. Even though the bread and butter is very simple, it is really, really tasty. It's actually a goat butter, so who knew? Come on down to the North Loop, Snack Bar. Highly recommended Friday feature. Take it easy.